Hello everyone, my name is Jacob Giambavo. I am founder of Rendered World Games, and today I am here to bring you our very first video of Dungeons of Daggerhelm. Now, as you can see, we have the map here with all of our really neat looking blocks and our floor here that we redid recently. We also have our heads-up display, which currently is not working properly, but we will hopefully implement that in the future. And as you can see, we have our ranger class character here the way he normally starts out on the map. So today I'm going to show you how our game works as far as we have it. And as you can see, we have our movement animation of our character. It is very basic, but as you can see, our character actually can move along. And now that we have encountered our paladin class character, you can see that he randomly walks around the map at a random time, random direction on his own, and it makes the game look a little bit more pretty because he is his own person, pretty much. And as you can see, I tried walking into the brick here, and we cannot because we have implemented collision. And you can actually slide along bricks. Let's move up to the top here, shall we? To see our other NPC that walks around. Hopefully we can find him. There he is, over here. So here is a duplicate of our ranger NPC. He is doing the exact same thing as our paladin. He is merely walking around at his own, on his own accord. And as you can see, he likes to walk into bricks and do all kinds of weird stuff. So now that we've shown you the NPCs, the map, and all the graphics that we have, and the walking animation, I'm going to show you how our character shoots. All you need to do is click, and he shoots. And as you can see, after the arrow lands, we have a little poof of particles, which is very interesting. I really like how we coded that. So as you can see, when you press and hold down the left mouse button, you can shoot basically in any direction. Although, as you can see, our arrow doesn't exactly turn the way we want it to when we click, but that will be implemented later. So as you can see, we have the basic construction of our game. We do not have any enemies yet. Nor do we have any map portals. As you can see, this is the area in which they would be placed. For example, if you wanted to go to a lava place, all you need to go is up here, and there'd be, right where my character's standing, there would be a portal. Or if you wanted to go to an icy place, you would go up here, and there would be a portal here, and so on and so forth, all the way through each of these portal areas. So essentially that is what is happening. Now in a couple more updates, we are going to add a life bar here, which decreases depending upon our player's health right here. And to clarify, that's the exact same thing that is going to happen with mana, except we are going to add some skills to our classes, which means that if you press either Q or E or R for that matter, or the right mouse button, your mana will decrease depending on which skill you use. Now right here, as we can see, we have these two small boxes. Those are reserved for your health potion and your mana potion, which increase both your health regeneration and your mana regeneration for a period of time. These larger boxes here are designated for your inventory. Hopefully we will be able to add more spaces here in the future, but for now these are here so that you can hold up to 6 items. Items have not yet been implemented, but seeing as this is an extremely early development game, we do not have those implemented just yet. But as you can see, I am walking around the map. You pretty much have full range of access of anything on the map, and this is essentially your spawn area. Now, as a disclaimer, everything that you see in this map right now is subject to change, which includes these graphics, the wall graphics, the grass graphics, which I actually really like, the floor graphics, as you can see, the heads-up display. Our animation may be subject to change, since we only have 2 walking sprites for each individual motion. And also our teleporters will show up here, as I explained earlier. But for now, we have the basis of our game, so that all we need to do is just go back and change the sprite appearance, and that would be that. And then all we need to do is just put it in our game, and then it'd look exactly the way that we want it. If you enjoyed this video, please follow our game on IndieDB.com. And please watch for any more videos and news that we would be producing in the near future. Thanks everyone for watching, and we hope you enjoyed watching the animations that we've had so far. And now I will end this video with all of our characters in the same screen. Thanks to everyone for watching, and we hope to hear from you really soon. Thanks.